Did you know that in Excel, you can break down any date into the exact day, month, and year in just seconds? In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to extract the day, month, and year from a date in Excel. So let's dive in. Let's start with a simple data set. All the joining dates are in column B. In column D, let's extract the day. Click on cell D2 and type equals day. Open parenthesis. Select the B2 cell. And close the parenthesis. Hit enter, and you'll see the result 15 for John Miller, because his joining date is March 15th, 2021. Now, if you'd rather see the actual weekday name, like Monday. Here's the trick: in D2, type this formula. The text function tells Excel to reformat the date. And the part inside the quotes is a custom code that displays the full weekday name. Press enter, and Excel will return Monday for John Miller's date. Finally, just drag the formula down, and in seconds, you'll have either the day number or the day name for every employee. Fast, clean, and professional. Next, let's pull out the month. In column E, type this formula in E2. Now press enter. For John Miller, it will return 3, which stands for March. Instead of showing just the month number, you can display the full month name. Type this formula. Press enter. For John Miller, this will display March instead of just 3. You can even use this code to show the short version, like this. This makes your reports much easier to read. Again, just drag down the formula, and all months are extracted. Finally, let's get the year. In column F, type equals year. Select the B2 cell. Press enter, and Excel gives you 2021. Drag the formula down, and you'll see the year for every employee's joining date. Quick and simple, that's how dates work in Excel. Drop a like, share with a friend, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.